Welcome to day 4 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Another day, another earring. Today we are going to connect with our inner superstar. Let's just dive straight into the tapping. So get yourself ready, drink some water, and whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the side of the hand. I feel really disconnected from my true self, from my higher self. I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. I've been stuck in old patterns. I don't like this feeling. And I'm committed to changing myself for the better this holiday season. I'm ready to bridge the gap between who I am now and the version of me that has it all. Let's move on to the eyebrow point. I've been carrying so many old stories about who I am. Stories about my limitations, about what I cannot do. These patterns are keeping me small. I've been stuck in fear, doubt, and old habits. They feel safe, even if they're not serving me. But these patterns are not my truth. They're not who I really am and what I'm truly capable of. So I'm ready to release them now and step into my higher superstar self. My superstar self is powerful, radiant, and magnetic. Just like a Christmas tree topper. They know exactly who they are and what they're capable of. My superstar self attracts everything effortlessly. They believe in themselves fully. I'm aligning myself with the version of me who has it all. This version knows that everything is unfolding perfectly. I'm ready to live as my higher self right now. I am becoming my higher self in every moment. I feel the energy of my higher self within me now. I am radiant and magnetic. I trust myself fully and deeply. I attract opportunities, abundance, and miracles every day. I am my higher superstar self, and nobody can stop me. Oh, that was kind of a tongue twister. Higher superstar self. Say that 10 times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's tapping. Let me know how you feel in the comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow.